man, this yard's getting ready to close, I think, so see if I can get this video in here. 64, I believe, Dodge Dart GT. Sitting on some slots, aluminum slots. Is that what does it say here? I can't tell. Anyways, let's keep it moving for there. This was an abandoned project, as you can tell by the tape lines. Somebody bought some floor pans for it. And check it out, man. We got ourselves Cool Air by Mopar. Cool little underdash. Oh, it's just a penny. I need dimes, nickels. Oh, look at that. We still got the key in the ignition. That's cool. Gas, temperature, alternator. It's a push button. Oh, we're getting back soon, look at that. You know. Air conditioned by Airtemp. It's like they were trying, you know. That bumper don't look bad. A few dings in it. It says keystones. I don't think these are keystones. I think that's just a cap. That GT. Oh, door won't open. Dang it, showing 35,000. So we got the push button transmission. That's cool. Steering wheel's pretty rough. Take a quick look underneath. That keeps falling off. Alright, let's okay, it just said Dart. Oh man, give me a second. Got the leaning tower power. The compressor's gone now. She did have power steering. That's neat. Yeah. The tag was supposed to be here somewhere, right? Oh, look. It's right there and it's gone. That's the deal on her. Well, I guess that pretty much sum it up. Did I get the... can't get the VIN on it either, right? There's no VIN up here, right? The VIN's not up there. It's probably going to be down in here. It sucks. Can't open the door. Nope. Nope, she ain't gonna go. She ain't gonna go. Oh well. How's that go? There you go. Get a view with that piece on. Alright people. I guess that's gonna do her. I was really hoping I could get that VIN, but or the tag at least. Anyways, on to the next one.